This is a game I've been wanting to replay. It's called Singularity. I was really excited at first because I knew it was about World War II, or at least like after World War II, and kind of had to do with a lot of the experiments that went on regarding like the Nazis and all their crazy like godlike complex experiments that they tried to do. So I got really excited to play this game, but then it got really scary, so I noped the fuck out of it. So I'm gonna try and play it again. Actually really nervous. I haven't played a scary game since this one. Obviously I have to play hard. Since the first time I played this game, so...
1945. The Soviet Union continues to expand in both military might and political influence.
Soviet Russia holds a commanding position in the future destiny of the world.
But it was the United States that held the secret to atomic power.
Mr. Truman declares we must have atomic control. The flags of freedom fly all over the world.
This superiority would be short-lived, however, as Stalin was already at work on a plan of his own. While searching for uranium on a tiny island off the southeast coast of the Soviet Union, Russian engineers discovered E-99, a powerful and unprecedented source of energy. Seeing an opportunity for further world domination, Stalin authorizes unlimited development funds to explore the capacities of the substance. Project Director Viktor Borisov establishes an island research station. For his groundbreaking research, he receives the Order of Lenin. When Nikita Khrushchev succeeds Stalin, he accelerates the program, pressuring Borisov to begin field experiments. However, not only is E-99 capable of delivering unimagined power, it is also incredibly volatile. Yet Borisov is pressured to begin tests. The disaster has no known survivors. Moscow buries the installation, effectively wiping it from the map. 2010, a US spy satellite flying over the area is blinded by a radiation surge. Fearing another Chernobyl, and suspicious of Moscow's secrecy, the reconnaissance mission over Katorga 12 is ordered by the Pentagon.
This game just screams controversy.
Spartan Team Titan 1 Actual, you are now entering Russian airspace. Proceed with caution.
Roger that, Titan 1.
Oh.
Continuing on this vector. ETA to target 3 minutes.
Brass must be scared shitless if they're willing to risk an international incident sending us in like this.
What a monologue, Devlin.
Been abandoned for 50 years. But you know what they say about military intelligence? So keep your head on a swivel.
Spartan Team, maintain present speed and heading.
You see that?
See what? See what, Devlin? Don't scare me like that.
Spartan 2-1, we're reading a radiation spike on your vector.
It's an EMP!
Devlin! 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 I'm so not ready for this. I am so terrified right now. Should be dead, honestly. Okay, I'm at half life, half health. I can jump. We're at a good start. I can run, even better. Oh, okay. I do like it. I do like the it feels open world. Like there's no, I don't feel like I'm playing a linear game. I am Ooh. God. Note. The death of Mr. Dmitriev in the fire had far worse results than anyone expected. We had hoped Dr. Borisov would be allowed to continue with our research. But we just received word that Moscow has deemed our work to be too dangerous. Any further study into E99 is being discontinued. All personnel are to be removed from the island. Katorga 12 will be completely shut down. All our work will be lost. Microphone.
Welcome to Katorga 12. All first-time arrivals must report to registration. All those who have previously registered are free to enter through the north gate.
I guess it does have a bit of a Resident Evil feel to it. Even though I never actually played it. Devlin! Devlin, you're alive!
Forward! We were hit, goddammit! I repeat! We were hit!
No shit. I was there with you, buddy.
One actual here. What's your status, Captain?
We got punched out. Copters down and we're scattered. Don't know how many KIAs yet. Over.
Satellite's got you about 30 clicks south of a radio tower.
Clicks.
Get your team there, Captain. We're pulling you out.
Understood, sir. Spartan team, if you copy, switch your comm gear to TAC 3. Meet up at the rally point.
You got it. Okay. I got a rendezvous with Devlin. Let's see. Katorga 12. I feel like I'm walking into an amusement park. This game is actually kind of old. I'm really surprised by the graphics. They're actually kind of good. From what I read, it was made by Raven Software, and I mean, they didn't really do anything spectacular until they were involved with Call of Duty. I mean, they were involved with a lot of games, but nothing I ever played until Call of Duty. Black Ops, I believe. They had a hand in every Call of Duty after that, so I mean, it's hard to say if they're really a good company. I'm not a big fan of Call of Duty, except for World at War. But, I mean, this game seems honestly pretty impressive so far. So that's what a phone sounds like. Okay.
E9 is a valuable element that can only be found on Katorga 12. Here it is mined at a depth of over 1 kilometer underground.
I wish I could read Russian. Oh, I'm scared. Okay.
The influx of new scientists and technicians to Katorga 12 has dwindled to nothing. Rumor has it that Dr. Borisov might become the new head of Katorga 12, but I doubt Moscow has much confidence in him. If only Dr. Dmitriev hadn't died in the fire.
Demikiv. Demikiv. Why are the Russians speaking English? As people arrive from the boat, they no doubt have a great many questions, but you must explain that there is no time to waste. Move quickly and without hesitation through the list of prepared questions. Once you have filled out the form fully, move the newcomer on to the next station. There are always a great many people to process, and the faster you work, the faster everyone will finish their job. Okay. Okay. Who's this guy? Is that Stalin? He's bigger in person. More typewriters. I don't know why this is just... I feel like they could have been a little bit more creative with the typewriter sound. But that's okay. They all sound the same. Let's see. Ooh, movie. Living on Katorga 12.
The threat from the west is ever present. And here on the isolated island of Katorga 12, we are fighting that threat. The glorious work we are doing will change the world and keep our way of life safe from those who seek to do us harm. Soviet scientists have discovered the answer to our hopes and dreams, the element E99. E99 is a rare element only found on Katorga 12. There are many different ways to help the efforts of Mother Russia here on Katorga 12. Your families will live well on the island, and your children will attend schools offering the very best Russian education. Scientific research is the largest division on the island, advancing agriculture, industry, medicine, and the military. Processing E99 is an important part of the island's function, creating the metal, gas, and other forms of E99 we use every day. A strong military presence is important on Katorga 12 to ensure the safety of the island. A workforce that will make every Russian proud is the backbone of the island. From the rail yard to the docks, every worker supports the motherland. All of your contributions will go towards achieving the ultimate goals of our work here on Katorga 12. We must stand as one against the forces of the West. You are the lucky ones selected for service on Katorga 12.
I'm lucky.
Your family for your convenience. We must now stand together for Mother Russia.
Well, that got me pumped. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go. Woo! Okay.
By some miracle, you're alive and hearing this. Rally at the base of the radio tower we passed over before we got bounced. SNR's running carpool from there. Double time it. Move!
Aye aye, Captain. There's a bathroom. This looks... okay. Ooh, a knife. That's a strong knife. And crouch. Alright. We're obviously in the tutorial part of the game. Okay.
For the love of God, please! Let me out!
Okay. 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 Use the doorknob. Okay, I'm scared. Okay. Well, this doesn't look too bad. Okay. Is this... oh, it's saving. Okay. What's happening? Everything's on fire. I can't use the typewriter anymore. Shit's getting real. Oh god. I shouldn't be alive. Oh my god.
Someone save me!
I'm trying! I'm trying! I got you, buddy! I got you!
My leg is hurt. I can't walk. You'll have to help me.
Man, I just got my leg blown off, like... okay, am I carrying him? Oh, he's so heavy. Oh god. Oh my goodness. Kick that shit open. Oh, whew, he's dead. He's definitely dead. And gone. Oh, there he is. Don't worry, Russian buddy, I got you. Oh. Not going that way. Guess I am. I'm going this way. Okay. No, I guess I'm not going that way. Let's go through the place that has lava and fire and bad stuff. Whew. Hey, it's the statue.
Damn it. What happened? What did you do? What did I do? Nothing.
Nothing.
Fortunately, he saved me.
I saved him. Okay. Hey, it's him. The guy I saved. His leg's okay. So I'm guessing I went back in time just now to save this guy. I'm not sure why. I'm sure they'll tell us in a minute. Okay, where am I? Do I have to watch another movie? I kinda don't want to. The last one was kinda boring. Actually, it was really funny. I liked it a lot, actually. It's really nice to see games put in the extra little details that they do and stuff like this.
The research laboratories are where scientific investigation is done into the potential uses of E99. Some of the areas of experimentation include weapons development, crop regeneration, and medical research, as well as chronology investigation.
There's a lot of interactive stuff in here.
The influx of new scientists and technicians to Katorga 12 has increased tenfold since Dr. Demichev went to Moscow. His presentation of our work must have been very successful. Additional facilities are being built, and our research funds continue to grow.
Man, he can crawl really fast.
Demichev almost died in that fire. Whoever saved him completed in 1955. The tower serves as home to the Demichev reactor. This powerful device generates the Singularity, an event horizon that provides the Soviet Union with unlimited energy that is both clean and safe.
They said the name of the game. It must be important.
The processing facilities are where E99 ore is purified and enriched. In order to protect the civilian population from any potential radioactivity, security is very high.
Okay.
The industrial docks are where supplies are brought in from the mainland. Hundreds of tons of equipment and material are offloaded here every day. You are here. The village area contains the civilian docks, where new personnel first arrive on Katorga 12. It is home to many of the inhabitants of the island, and features a school that offers the best in Russian education.
Okay, movie time. It's the same movie. It's the same movie. Where do I go? Oh, I go this way, right? Blue doors point me in the right direction. I keep looking at things like I can actually, like, read Russian. Ooh, what's this? Okay. That did nothing. Oh, there it is. Many experiments on Katorga 12 use the power of E99, and this leftover technology can be used to create upgrades. You can purchase upgrades once you've found someone that understands the E99 technology. Okay. Well, alright then. Oh, it's saving. Something's about to happen. I should probably listen to this.
I don't know how much time I have, so I'll make this quick. The Singularity exploded about 2 hours ago, killing hundreds of people. But spreading radiation is also having effects. It's mutating humans into violent monsters, and they feed on human flesh. I have to get out of here before they find me.
I don't like the sound of that. I don't like the sound of that at all. Ooh. Egg timers.
Titan 1 actual. Copy.
Yes.
For fuck's sake, someone copy!
I'm sorry. Yes, I'm here. Yes.
Copy back and tell me things look a little south of normal, because I'm officially freaking out!
No, Devlin, it's okay. It's okay. I got you. Oh.
God damn it.
Devlin, calm the fuck down. It's gonna be alright.
Okay, eyes forward. Keep to the original directive. Continue to the radio tower.
There's a lot of stuff to find. I like it. I love it, actually. Books! Okay. Oh. Oh no. Oh, this is the part. This is the part where I stopped. Oh my god. Okay. 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 I'm gonna read this note and I'm not gonna like it. And I don't think anyone else is gonna like it either. I'm gonna read this, okay? Dear Mr. and Mrs. Mahikavich, your son, Jacob, has continually been disruptive in class. He mocks me in front of the other students and refuses to keep his hat off during class. His crude behavior will not be tolerated. If this continues, he will be expelled from school or worse. Mrs. Kozlov. Okay, that wasn't the right note. I think it's that one.